welcome to another edition of NOFOMO's completely biased campsite review. Today we are at Astor Pond near Astor Park, Florida in the Ocala National Forest. We found the site on iOverlander, and you have to come down a sandy dirt road. It's great to have four-wheel drive and a little clearance, but you know, with any kind of Jeep or SUV you won't necessarily have an issue if it's dry. If it's wet, all bets are off. The entry is a little bit bumpy, but again, if you're a sensible driver you can navigate without four-wheel drive, but I would still recommend it for safety purposes. So the pond is over there. I'll walk you in, and we just chose a site just tucked away a little bit so that we're not that visible, so follow me along. You can see here bumpy, but then so judging from the trash, I think more people camp over there. And as we chose the spot here tucked away. Also, for safety reasons, we can go out this way or can go out that way, just in case. That's why we backed in rather than staying the other way around, which is a little more inconvenient for our door. But Sybille cleared the path, and now we're basically making ourselves comfortable. There's that little Astor pond. We didn't find any alligators there, but we will keep an eye on Wilburn nonetheless. Yeah, I think over there you can find a nice level spot. Here it was a little less lovely, but we made it work by pushing back, and I think we're going to be okay for 1 or 2 nights. And this is our view from Astor Pond here in the Ocala National Forest in Florida, in a remote bit of camping. So hope you liked our little impression of today's site. Click like, subscribe to us if you haven't done already, and follow us on our travels across the US and eventually around the world.